Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a cool pop art portrait using ChatGPT. First, just open ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu icon and then go to images like this. And then next just scroll down and then on the style sections just choose pop art, this one. And then next just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo using your camera. In here I will just choose a photo from my gallery and then next just upload your photo that you want. Wait the process. And okay, like this, in just a few moments your photo is now transformed into a colorful pop art portrait like this. I think it's super cool. It's so cool. And okay, super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.